Every student deserves the tools they need to succeed. But what happens when outdated technology becomes a barrier to learning? At Communities in Schools, the mission is simple yet powerful. They surround students with a community of support, empowering them to stay in school and achieve in life. But they faced a critical challenge. Their computer lab was running on outdated, expensive desktop infrastructure that was holding our students back. The problems were mounting: expensive servers and underutilized desktop computers, constant maintenance overwhelming their small IT team, security concerns that kept administrators up at night, and they needed a solution fast within just 2 weeks. They knew they had to modernize, but they needed a partner who understood their mission and could deliver results quickly. Enter V2 Cloud, a company that specializes in transforming educational environments through cloud desktop infrastructure. When they evaluated the options, V2 Cloud stood out immediately. Our solution is user-friendly, technologically advanced, and we understood the urgency of their situation. The implementation was swift and strategic. 20 clients replaced expensive physical desktops. Students could now access high-performance cloud desktops from any device, all backed by 24/7 support, daily backups, and live monitoring. The transformation was remarkable. In less than 2 weeks, CIS went from a struggling IT infrastructure to a modern, cloud-based solution that actually enhances their students' learning experience. The results speak for themselves. Thousands of dollars saved by eliminating expensive hardware. Zero downtime disruptions to learning. Enhanced security protecting student data. Scalable solution ready for future growth. Communities in Schools serves 2 million students across 3,460 schools nationwide. Each student deserves access to the technology that will prepare them for success. The success of their Cape Fear location has paved the way for scaling this solution to other computer labs. They're not just modernizing our technology, we're modernizing their ability to serve students. When educational institutions need to modernize their IT infrastructure, they choose V2 Cloud. Ready to transform your educational institution's IT infrastructure? Contact V2 Cloud today to discover how we can support your journey.